If you have multiple commands that you want to run simultaneously, you might open a new shell for each new command. But actually, if you use Unix-like operating system, you can run multiple commands in a single shell session. Unix Job Control allows a shell session to have one foreground job, multiple background jobs, and multiple suspended jobs. Normally, a command starts as foreground job, which is interactive and you can kill it with Ctrl+C. But if you run a command followed by an ampersand, it will start as background job instead and it will show its job ID and PID. In this state, the job is still running, but it's not interactive. You can bring this background job to foreground by running fg command followed by its job ID. Also, if you are done with the background job, you can kill it by its PID without bringing it to foreground first. If you want to suspend a job instead of putting it into background, you can press Ctrl+Z while running a foreground job. Now the job's process is completely paused and no longer running. After you pause a job, you can resume it using fg command. Now the job's process will resume from the point it was paused as a foreground job. By the way, if you want to resume it in background instead, you can use bg command. Another useful command we have is jobs-l command. This command will show all non-foreground jobs with their job ID and PID. For example, we can use the job ID to suspend a background job or use the PID to kill a suspended job. Now you have learned all the basics, but you might have noticed something non-intuitive. That is, when we run a background job, the job will still print its standard output to current shell. This might distract you when you're doing some foreground task, especially the one that uses standard output. One trick to prevent this is to redirect the output before suspending it with Ctrl+Z or before sending it to background with ampersand. If you redirect the output to a file, you can monitor it in real time using tail command. This way, you can monitor the progress, run another task in foreground, and monitor the progress again without interrupting the background job. If you have another useful trick, you are more than welcome to share it in the comment section. Now you can do your job in foreground with Vim while downloading completely legal torrents in background without being noticed by FBI.